So let us take a very simple example. So you're given two circles, x square plus y square plus 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0, and this circle. You're asked to find the coaxial system of circles with the given circles as members. So we have already seen the formula, which is s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0, or s plus lambda times s minus s dash is equal to 0. So to use these equations, first we need to make these two equations into the general form. That is, we need to make the coefficient of x square and y square equal to 1. Only then you can use this formula. This formula can be generally used. Even without conversion, this formula can be used. But to use this formula, s minus s dash has to lead to a linear equation, because that is the equation of radical axis. So I'll try to use this equation. I'll take this as s and this as s dash. So to subtract one from the other, you have two options. You can either multiply this with 2 and then subtract, or you can divide this with 2 and subtract one from the other. So what I do is I'll multiply this with 2 and subtract it. I'll be avoiding fractions. So the equation required coaxial system of circles is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2x minus y plus 6 plus lambda times the difference between these two once you have multiplied this with 2. So once you have multiplied this with 2, when you subtract one from the other, x square and y square terms gets cancelled. So 4x plus 6x is 10x, minus 2y minus 3y is minus 5y, 12 plus 4 is 16 is equal to 0. So you just need to subtract one from the other. So this will be the required coaxial system of circles. And whatever you get in the bracket is the common radical axis of the whole system. Thank you.